Welcome to the dark and unexplored depths of the ocean, a realm where sunlight fades and pressure reigns supreme. Here in this alien world, life takes on strange and often terrifying forms. Today we uncover some of the most bizarre, creepy, and terrifying sea creatures that are rarely seen by human eyes. Creatures sculpted by the unforgiving conditions of the deep, their very existence a testament to the boundless creativity of evolution. Prepare yourself for a chilling journey into the abyss. Our journey begins with a creature that embodies the darkness itself, the deep-sea anglerfish. Imagine, if you will, the inky blackness of the abyssal plain, a place devoid of light and warmth. Here, the anglerfish makes its home, a predator perfectly adapted to this unforgiving environment. From its head extends a long, thin appendage tipped with a lure of bioluminescent flesh. This eerie glow, a beacon in the darkness, is irresistible to the small fish and crustaceans that make up the anglerfish's diet. They are drawn in, mesmerized by the light, unaware of the danger lurking in the shadows. With lightning-fast reflexes, the anglerfish strikes, its gaping maw filled with rows of razor-sharp teeth. The prey, with no time to react, is swallowed whole, vanishing into the darkness from which it came. Few creatures inspire such primal fear as the goblin shark. Its name, whispered in hushed tones among sailors, conjures images of a monstrous being from the darkest nightmares. And indeed, the goblin shark, with its elongated snout and protruding jaws, seems more phantom than fish. Imagine encountering this creature in the depths. Its skin, a ghostly white, almost translucent, offering a glimpse into the cartilaginous skeleton beneath. Its most striking feature, however, is its mouth. Unlike the swift, powerful bite of a great white, the goblin shark's jaws are designed for ambush. They lie hidden beneath the elongated snout, almost invisible until the moment of attack. When a potential meal, be it a fish, squid or crustacean, strays too close, the goblin shark strikes. Its jaws shoot forward, propelled by a complex system of ligaments and cartilage. The effect is startling, almost alien, as if the shark's entire head transforms in an instant. The prey, caught off guard, has little chance of escape. For centuries, sailors have whispered tales of colossal sea monsters, creatures of immense size and power that could drag ships and their crews to watery graves. These legends, often dismissed as myths, may have their roots in encounters with the largest invertebrate on Earth, the giant squid. Imagine a creature so large, its eyes alone are the size of dinner plates, capable of peering through the murky depths with startling clarity, its arms lined with hundreds of powerful suckers, each ringed with sharp serrated edges, can reach lengths exceeding 30 feet. These tentacles, muscular and agile, are used to ensnare prey, primarily fish and other squid, drawing them into a powerful beak capable of crushing bone. The giant squid's size is both its most impressive and most elusive quality. Sightings are incredibly rare, often glimpses of enormous tentacles disappearing into the gloom. Much of their lives remain a mystery, hidden in the depths where they reign supreme. Chapter 4. The Frilled Shark, a Living Fossil. The frilled shark, a living fossil, has remained virtually unchanged for millions of years. With its elongated body and needle-like teeth, it seems more serpent than shark. Its dark skin helps it blend into the inky depths. A master of camouflage, it strikes with sudden speed. Chapter 5. The vampire squid, master of light and shadow. In the twilight zone, where sunlight fades to a perpetual gloom, lives a creature that seems to embody the very essence of this ethereal realm, the vampire squid. Its name, conjuring images of darkness and the supernatural, is both apt and misleading. The vampire squid is not a bloodsucker, but rather a master of deception, employing a dazzling array of bioluminescent displays to confuse predators and attract prey. Imagine a creature that can disappear in a flash of light. When threatened, the vampire squid can invert its webbed arms, revealing rows of bioluminescent photophores that create a dazzling display of light. This sudden burst of brilliance startles predators, giving the vampire squid time to escape into the darkness. But the vampire squid's mastery of light extends beyond defense. It can also use its bioluminescence to attract prey, luring small creatures towards its waiting arms. Chapter 6. The Black Dragonfish, Terror in the Deep. In the deepest, darkest recesses of the ocean lives a creature of menacing appearance, the black dragonfish. Cloaked in perpetual darkness, its body absorbs almost all light. This camouflage renders it practically invisible. Its most striking feature is its bioluminescence. The black dragonfish has weaponized light. Beneath its eyes are light-producing organs called photophores. These emit a red light, invisible to most deep-sea creatures. The black dragonfish can see this red light perfectly. It uses this ability to hunt, illuminating its prey while remaining cloaked in darkness. The depths of the ocean are home to creatures that seem to defy the very laws of nature, animals whose adaptations push the boundaries of what we thought possible. One such creature is the gulper eel, a denizen of the abyss with an appetite that belies its slender form. Imagine a creature with a mouth so large it seems to encompass its entire head. The gulper eel's jaws, loosely hinged and connected by a stretchy ligament, can open wide enough to swallow prey much larger than itself. Its stomach, equally impressive, can expand to accommodate these enormous meals. The gulper eel's hunting strategy is simple yet effective. It drifts through the water, its mouth agape, resembling a living vacuum cleaner. When a fish, squid or crustacean wanders too close, the gulper eel strikes. Its jaws snap shut with surprising speed, engulfing the prey whole. The unfortunate victim, trapped within the gulper eel's distensible stomach, is slowly digested. Chapter 8. The Deep-Sea Hatchetfish, a Mirror in the Dark. In the twilight zone, where sunlight dwindles to a faint glimmer, survival often depends on the ability to blend in or stand out at will. The deep-sea hatchetfish, a master of disguise, has evolved a remarkable adaptation to navigate this world of shifting light and shadow counter-illumination. Imagine a creature that can disappear at will, its body transforming into a mirror, reflecting the faint light from above and rendering it practically invisible to predators lurking below. The deep-sea hatchetfish achieves this feat with the help of specialized light-producing organs called photophores. These photophores, located on its underside, emit a faint blue-green light that matches the intensity and wavelength of the down-welling sunlight. This camouflage, known as counter-illumination, allows the deep-sea hatchetfish to blend seamlessly into its surroundings, but the deep-sea hatchetfish's adaptations don't end there. Its body, laterally compressed and resembling the blade of a hatchet, allows it to maneuver through the water with surprising agility. Chapter 9. The barrel-eye fish, seeing all, knowing all. The barrel-eye fish, with its transparent head and tubular eyes, can see in all directions. Its eyes, encased in a fluid-filled shield, detect faint, bioluminescent flashes from prey. When it spots a meal, it rotates its eyes forward, aligning them with its mouth. This ensures precise targeting so it doesn't miss its mark. Chapter 10. The Yeti Crab, Life at the Edge of Extremes. In the deepest, most inhospitable environments, life finds a way. The Yeti crab, with its furry claws, thrives in lethal conditions. Imagine a creature adapted to extreme temperatures and pressure. The Yeti crab's claws serve a vital purpose. These claws host bacteria that convert toxic chemicals into energy. The discovery of the Yeti crab challenged our understanding of life's limits. Even in the most unlikely places, life finds a way. The ocean's depths remain one of the last great frontiers on Earth, a realm of mystery and wonder that continues to captivate our imaginations. As we've seen, the creatures that inhabit this alien world are as diverse and extraordinary as the environments they call home, but our journey into the abyss is far from over. What else might be lurking in the uncharted abyss? What other secrets do these depths hold? Thank you for joining us on this chilling journey. Until next time, stay curious and stay safe.